Hi Year 3, welcome to your second maths lesson this week. Now our learning objective for this lesson is, can I use my knowledge of multiplication and known times tables to practice and consolidate my knowledge of the 4 times table? So have a look here, we've got 3 times 4 equals what? And I want you to have a think now. What does each number in this multiplication number sentence represent? So pause the video to have a think. And if an adult or a sibling is nearby and they're free, please feel free to talk to them and see what they think. Well done if you got that 3 is the number of groups. The number of groups that you have. The 4 is the number in each group. And that here would be the total. Now what I want you to do is represent this pictorially on the whiteboard that you got in your pack before we broke up for the Christmas holidays. Pause the video to have a think and then I will show you the answer. Okay, so these are the number of groups. So I've got 3 groups. So I'm going to draw myself 3 circles. Then we're going to have a look at how much is in each group. So I've got 4 in each group. So I'm going to draw 4 circles in each of these. I'm then going to count it up and it will give me the answer. So we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. So my total, my answer is 12. Well done if you got that correct. Okay, so we can see here that 3 times 4 equals 12. Now what I want you to do on your whiteboard is represent 4 times 4 equals what? And you need to do this pictorially, so you need to draw it out. Pause the video to have a go and then I'll reveal the answer to you. Okay, so the first one is the number of groups that we're going to have. So I've got 4 here, which means I'm going to draw 4 circles. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 groups, so 4 circles. I've then got 4 in each group. So I'm going to draw 4 dots in each group. So yours should look a little bit like this. Then I'm going to add them all together to find the total, to find my answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So the answer is 16. Well done if you got that correct. So what do you notice between the answers of 3 times 4 and 4 times 4? Pause the video to have a think. So the answers in the 4 times table go up in 4s. What other times table could help you with your 4 times table? Pause the video to have a think. Well done if you got the 2 times tables, because it's doubling. Double 2 is 4, and that will help you with your 4 times tables. Okay, let's have a look here. Which numbers would you say if you were to count in 4s? I want you to pause the video and have a think, and then we'll highlight them together. Okay, so we'll start with 4. And we're going to add 4 each time. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. What do you notice? Write down what you notice on a piece of paper and make sure you upload it to Tapestry so that I can see what you think. Okay, so your task now. On a piece of paper, I would like for you to answer these questions. So question number 1 says, represent these pictorially, which means you need to draw them out. Remember, 2 times 4 equals what? You've got 2 here. This is your number of groups. That's how many circles you're going to draw. 1, 2. And then the next number is how many you're going to have in each of your groups, which is 4. So you need to draw 4 dots in each group. And then count them up to give you your total. So that's the first set of questions. The second set is a worded problem. So you need to read this really carefully. You've got 2 cars. Underline the key bits of information because this will really help you. 2 cars have 8 wheels. How many wheels do 4 cars have? Have a think. Use what we said earlier about the 2 times table helping us with the 4 times table because it's doubling. And then you've got 3 cows have 12 legs. How many legs do 6 cows have? And I want you to have a go at answering these questions. Question number 3, you need to fill in the gaps. So using what we did yesterday, find the difference between these 2 numbers. What do you add to 8 to get to 12? And that will help you fill in the blanks. If you finish that and you want to challenge yourself even further, I've got some extension questions here for you as well. Make sure you read the questions properly and underline the key bits of information because that will help you answer. Make sure you upload all your work to Tapestry and I'll see you next time, Year 3. Bye.